Hey, what's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
On this video, we got the updates and recaps. Starting off with the updates. Have you seen by now? Nigel Sylvester is releasing the Bike Air. So if you don't know, he's a professional bike rider for BMX. Pair does look like a green pair. It's supposed to be resemble the Jordan 4 RM revealed in a pro green. So a lot of people are digging this colorway, but we don't know. This is his pair may look more buttery, but we don't know if it's coming out to a wider release or not. I know a lot of people are going wild over these pairs. The suede on this pair does look really, really nice. It does have that booty backstroke. On the back, we see that Bike Air branding, which is new, which I've never seen before. And comment down below if you've seen these before, but this is a very nice pair overall. I am rocking these. Only time will tell if they'll release to the public. The bottom of the silhouette does feature that Jordan 4 silhouette, so that's why people like these. It's basically a hybrid shoe and it's considered a collaboration, but again, we don't know if these will actually release or not. Right now, there's rumored current release expected July 3rd with a retail price of $150, but we'll have to wait and see if these actually come out. So moving on to the Jordan recaps. These are the shoes that came out from 14 to 20 April.
So there was only one shoe that came out, which was April the 20th, was that Air Jordan 1 High OG Green Glow. Price point for those were $180. And according to Nike.com, all sizes, once again, all sizes are still available. So if you want those, cop those shoes, hey, Nike.com have plenty of all sizes are still available. Right.
Yes, sir.
Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Preach.